Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, coming back at you with another video. In this video, we're going to review some accessories that you will need for your Oculus Quest 2. So let's check it out.
Get strong.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to start with, you will need a case. Now, this case is made by Oculus. They have an updated version of it, but this case will work. It's made out of some nice material. On the outside, the material is firm, so it will protect your Oculus Quest on the inside. On the inside, you have some soft material. You have compartments where you can place your cables in or your controller, and then of course the Oculus Quest 2 fits inside there. It has a zipper on the outside, so you can zip it up, and then your Oculus Quest will be fully protected. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is the AMVR Stand for your headset. Now, this stand is made out of hard plastic, and it will hold your Quest 2 on it quite nicely. The only thing that I can say about this stand that would be a negative would be, I don't know, for me this seems to be kind of low. The stand, the controllers seem to be a little bit too low for my taste. And you will also need to make sure that when you put it together that you glue it, and that way it'll be nice and firm. But it's a nice stand. It's made out of hard plastic, and it works well for the Oculus Quest 2. The next thing that I want to look at is the Partylink. Now, this is a 10-foot USB-C Type-C cable link. It is Link software compatible. However, when you use this, you must use the 3.0 port or later. Now, I did have some problems with the original Quest. I kept losing connections with this, but with the new Quest, I had absolutely no problems at all, and it had a solid connection. The next thing we want to look at is the AMVR dual handle. Now, this gives you the feeling of having a light bar. It's great if you love to play Beat Saber. Now, it's made out of plastic. It has a foam, nice foam grip to it. It's pretty sturdy, well designed, and it works well. Now, it's not originally made for the Quest 2, but as you can see, it works quite well. Now, I will have to say that it did not improve my beat skills, but it may help you. So this is a nice addition as well. Next, we're going to look at the Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap. Now, this is supposed to give you more support and more comfort. As you can see, it's made out of plastic. You have a nice rim to tighten up your headset. A nice clicking sound there. You got the foam that will be at the back of your head there. The plastic is nice, high quality, and it's easy to connect to your Quest. You just clip this on the inside, you take this and you go through the top part on your Quest, and then you adjust it to where you want it. Now, I will say that this is definitely better than the original strap that came with the Quest 2, but the comfort level is still not there. You will not be able to wear this for a long period of time without having some discomfort. However, it is better than the strap, but not good enough. And I'm going to show you what's even better in the next thing that I review. But here again, this is the Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap, and it's made for the Quest. Now, this is what you want. It is the HTC Vive audio strap. It's lightweight. It fits the Quest 2 perfectly with some adjustment adapters that you will need to get. But you'll notice on it you have your headphones, and then you got your headphone jack that works well. The strap, the strap is nice and firm, and everything is made to really give you more comfort. Now, if I were to rate the comfort level for this, I would say out of 10, I would give it a 8.5. As far as the sound, I would give it a 9. And you'll notice just as on the Elite, you also have the strap or the knob on the back so that you can adjust it. So it's nice, high quality, and it will definitely increase your comfort level. I highly recommend it. And if you want more power, this is perfect. It is the VR Power made by Rebuff Reality. It has a 10,000 mAh battery. It has 3 Type-C connections on it, and it will give you or increase your playing time up to 10 hours. In addition to increasing your play time, it will also help with the comfort level because it takes some of the pressure off of the front of your VR headset. So these are some great accessories that you will want for your Quest 2. Now you can find links in the description below for all of these products should you want to purchase one. If you would like for me to review any of these products in further detail, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will do so. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please come back and check my next video out. Remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.
Get strong.